Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your gender in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Now click on your username. Click on the pencil icon in the top right corner. And here you can see the gender option. Tap on it. Now select your gender and click on set option. And that is how you can set your gender in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video is helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.